In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a live trading session in which I buy, sell tokens and kind of show you my thought process for how that looks. I'm going to be showing you the wins, the losses, everything in between. So make sure to stick around. And I'm going to be using Axiom to make all of my trades. So if you want to get started with 20% off your fees and get started on 2x rewards, then make sure to use the link down below to get started with Axiom. Okay, this guy's pretty decently credible on Boop. Got some good mutual followers. Let's see if we can get a good fill. Okay, we're just gonna look for a quick scalp here. Nothing crazy. Typically for these kind of plays, people don't know what it is, so I'm just looking for a quick scalp. So I got decently good fill up here and sold up here, but 33%, 1.5 sold profit, not bad. Okay, I'm gonna take profits on this. 1.3 profit, we'll take it. This looks like real tech. Sometimes I can just get the feeling when something's real. This app looks real, has a mutual follower. It's in the app store. This guy's been posting for a few days now. Chart looks pretty decent. I pretty much top blasted it. Yeah, he's been posting for a little while now. It rewards you for walking. Just hold on to it. I'll buy a little bit more here. Let's see what happens. I think he's just confused because he doesn't know that he launched it. It's kind of a sticky situation. But if he tweets the contract address, he'll send it flying. No tweet yet. Let me go ahead and sell a little bit here just to kind of de-risk since it is very low market cap. I'll take this as a quick flip for now because I'm not sure if he's ever going to tweet the contract. He might be lost for the next hour or two. So I'm going to take this as a quick flip. We bought the dip. We bought the top. Let's just refresh his Twitter one more time. So yeah, there he tweeted the contract address and it kind of sent it pretty much 2x from the bottom. And I was able to buy the dip. Good trade. 3.2 SOL profit on this one. It looks like these guys added it to their, yeah. So after pretty much one of the founders said they don't know what's going on, they tweeted it on their account. And the risk to reward here is really good, so I think we should be good. Okay, it's moving good now. They tweeted the contract. I mean, we're up pretty good off that dip buy. I don't think people have seen it yet, which is one of the reasons. There it goes. There it goes. Nice. Sell some small clips up here. I bought into this coin like 3 or 4 different times. They finally confirmed their contract address on their actual account, so now I'm writing risk-free since I've sold my initials pretty much. So right now I'm up 5 SOL, 6 SOL total on this trade, but it's risk-free right now. Might as well ride the rest of this position and see what happens. Okay, we got a good sell fill. You can see the sell on Axiom just filled me at the perfect top right there. Let's see if we can get some more sells going. Sell 12 here. Okay, I'll just take P there. Looks like it's a speculation play. Just bought into this pre-bond. Let's see what happens to it. Looks like a decent AI project. Some more looking. It looks pretty good. I don't like that the person who launched the coin is not the official account. This guy just launched on this account, but he didn't launch on the Corvus account. So just to be safe, I took profit right around here. 0.4 SOL. I can't tell if this is real or not, but I know it's heavily sniped. It looks LARPy to me, to be honest. Second I start seeing pictures like this, looks like AI. Looks very fake. Yep, took that little loss there, 0.8 SOL. On to the next. Just gotta keep looking, keep going until we find the real runner. There's gonna be some really good stuff popping up. This token spawned incredibly high. It's moving nicely though. The founder, he tweeted this tweet. He's actually followed by Solana. It's a really good sign. Let me actually go ahead and de-risk the position a little bit up here. Yeah, it looks really good if I'm being honest. This token had an insane run up already. So like it pretty much spawned at 1 million and it's moving up to 2 mil pretty quickly. This account is also followed by Solana. Yeah, this looks good. I think I'll sell the rest of the position up here. 2.5-ish million. Secure a little 2x. And all the trades I've taken today have been Launchacoin trades. So as you can see, Launchacoin, they're using this new software to launch their tokens. And as I mentioned in my video, this is the hottest thing in the market right now. All the new developers and founders are using this to deploy their tokens. It's really good for the market. A lot of really good money to be made. And as you can see, this token is going really high right now. 7 SOL profit, pretty good. I told myself 3 million is my target. So just going to secure the rest of the profit at 3 million. 7 SOL initial, 7 SOL profit, quick $1.2 thousand profit. Bought some of this. It looks decent. Founder has a lot of followers. Doesn't really show any plans of tech on his tweet, but I guess we'll just sit and wait and see what happens. Probably just go for a quick flip and go from there. Take that quick flip for now. Not bad. This looks decent. This is really clean artwork. The chart looks really good too. I mean, everything looks cool and legit, to be honest. Been skeptical on a few trades this morning, so I put little sizing in this. Probably going to start upping the size as I adapt to this new meta change. Since I mentioned in the last video, a lot of the stuff today has been launch a coin, and yeah, it's hard to tell what's actually real or not, but I think I'm starting to get a good grasp of it. I'm going to go ahead and take 50% here, secure my initials. Saw the rest here too. Good trade. It spawned pretty high pretty quickly, so I mean, by the time I was actually able to figure out what it was already at 230k. Clip out around 440k, little 2x, 1.6 sol, not bad. Some news came out about this guy over here. I think this is a beta play. Yeah, this coin went to what? This coin went to like 100 something k, 300k. Okay, it's moving slowly. Missed the little wick to 31k. Okay, there we go. Little scalp, 34k. Nice. I'm gonna just take the scalp on this. Didn't really know what was going on with it. Kind of just copy traded on this one, but the market cap was so low that the risk to reward ratio is pretty good. Decent quick flip, 0.7 sol. I'm gonna buy some of this. Just looking for a quick flip. Spawned about 130k. Kind of dumped a little too hard. Decent quick flip is all I'm looking for. Sell some here. Okay, 35% quick flip. A little bit of profit. On to the next trade. This looks like real tech. I've been doing DD on it, just looking at his account. Typically, you can tell based on his account if it's real or not. Oh, I should have bought way more down here. I'm going to take 50% of the position here. I'll just sell the rest of it here. Another quick flip, 2.3 sol trade. But yeah, we're on a hot streak right now. A lot of good trades we've been making. Took a little quick flip on this one. It looked real based on the analysis I was doing. Got out with some good profit. 3 sol profit, just a little quick flip. Nothing really good enough to actually get me to like hold for a long time. Like a lot of these have been pump and dumps lately, but there's so much good money to be made, especially in a market like this if you're positioned with Axiom. And when you have tools like this, when you can literally just hover over and see who the person deploying it is. Yeah, so I actually woke up. It's currently 8 a.m. Eastern. I woke up around 5 this morning. And this is the first play I actually decided to size into. So I bought the dip on this coin, 23 sol buy. I'm currently up 50 sol profit. I'm holding the majority of the position because I think this is still going to go really viral. So my average entry is 160k market cap. I actually bought the dip twice. So 5:30 a.m., 6:30 a.m. I continued to buy the dip for about an hour. And it's like an hour and a half later, it's starting to gain traction a little bit. My trading strategies, I like to buy dips on things that I think can still exponentially explode. And in order for you to find good dips on tokens that still might be relevant, you're going to want to use a DEX or a platform that's going to aggregate all of the recent deploys. A really popular DEX is DEX Screener, but I've been using Mizar lately because of their built-in research and alpha tabs. And I go over to the right here and I set some filters. And I also scroll down in Mizar. One of the really cool features I like is they have a smart money inflow. So to avoid scams and rugs, I typically just put $10. So this is going to show you all the tokens that smart money has bought at least $10 worth. A couple really trendy tokens that are still gaining lots of volume. One of them is STR. I was actually just looking at this token, their smart swaps feature. Or we can go back at the hot tokens, find STR again, copy the token address, go back to smart swaps, paste the token address, and see if this is something a lot of people are buying. Person bought a minute ago. These are buys, 0.5 sol buys, 1 sol buys, and it's really easy to aggregate everything within Mizar. If you want to get started or check it out, feel free to use the link down in the description. Yeah, my current average exit price is 630k market cap. That's where I started de-risking a little bit. Ideally, the chart continues on this little uptrend here as more people start waking up and catching the news. Maybe trades like this for a little bit, up to at least 1 million plus. Yeah, this was the previous all-time high, so I started de-risking the position here. Let's get rid of my... Whoa, somebody just got mev'd all the way up here. Another tweet I saw is this one. This one already has 6.5 million views. This guy is very popular on crypto Twitter. His name is Kobe, and Kobe said he would like to cancel the meeting, pretty much kind of adding to the conspiracy, adding to the narrative. This is a live trading video, so as I'm buying and selling, I'm kind of sharing my thoughts. Okay, it's 9 a.m. So yeah, I've been holding this since 5:20 a.m. Eastern. I've sold the rest of the initials here at 4x. I'm probably gonna start securing a little bit of profit at these levels. Let's do 2% sells at a time. I'm up 90 sol right now. Sell a couple percent at a time, keep riding it all the way up. This is how you do it. 900k, just continue to sell small clips at these levels. Right now, the P&L looks very good. 100 sol P&L. Yeah, it's getting volume now. As you can see, 45k buy volume. Hopefully this gave you some good insight into my thought process as I'm buying and selling and making trades. If you're interested in some more advanced trading guides or some more videos on how I spot really good narratives early, then make sure to check out the rest of the videos on my channel, but more specifically this video right here on screen, where I'm going to talk you through the current metas, how you adapt to meta changes, and everything in between. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.